Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Assist. In today's video, I will teach you how to create an Activision account on your device. First, go to your web browser and on top there is a search bar, type www.activision.com. I will leave the link in the description. So as you land inside the profile page of Activision, now go to your upward right hand side and on top there is a sign in and login. So if you already have an account, so tap on login, and if you don't have an account and want to create a new one, tap on sign up. So in order to sign up, you need to enter your email address. So on the other page there is a sign up. So first you need to enter your email address. So once again retype your email address and tap on sign up. Next you need to enter your Activision ID, that is username. So create a username. Now enter your first name, enter your last name and tap on next. So on the second step there is enter your birthday and country of residence. So here you need to enter your birth date. So the location is already entered. So if you want to change your location, so you just tap on this little arrow icon and there are different options. You can select on any one of the following countries. So after you finish entering your birth date and location, tap on next. Now on the third step there is create a password. Now enter or create a new password. So next you go through the statement and tap on the box, and after that tap on I am not a robot, and finally tap on next. So on the other page of Activision there is connected account. So if you want to connect your Activision ID with other gaming sites, so you can tap on any one of the following games, and if you don't want it, leave it as it is and tap on I don't have a network account. So here you can see that my account is created and on top there is my profile, and this is how you can create your Activision account on your device. And I hope the video was helpful, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.